There's only left. 1, 2, 3. It's only 2. 1, 2. There's only 1. There's only 1, Mommy.
Only one left. What if you go back to the beginning?
Oh no. There's no more ladybugs. There's no more ladybugs.
No more ladybugs. Go back to the beginning.
Find him. Has to fight him. Has to fight him. Has to fight the ladybugs. There's only 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh,
Okay, you're back at the beginning.
3,
Count those.
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Pretty good. Counting.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2.
2.
2.
No. How many?
This
Only one on that page.
Okay, this no more bats. 1, 2,
Alright.
3.
Still getting the hang of it, but not too bad for a 2-year-old.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Here, start here. Start here. 1, 2.
Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There, you got it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You gotta touch each one. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There you go. Good job, buddy.